Hey guys, this is Cod Killer Online. We are 2 days away from 4th of July. We are lighting off fireworks. We got really cool ones. Hope you enjoy. Watch the video.
What's up?
We're just letting this car pass so we can start it. As you can see, we're starting it right now. It's a little bit dark out though.
Come on, yo. Get away, get away.
Whoa.
Sweet!
That's the thing.
Get away from it. What is
It burned, dude.
Listen,
It burned.
listen. When a firework goes off, get that damn camera off me. When a firework goes off, you're not to run up to it. Sit down. Jacob, sit down. Both of you, sit in the chairs now. In the chairs, or we're not doing this.
I can't sit in my chair.
Put the fireworks on the ground and sit in the chair. The last thing I want to do is run to a hospital night with burns.
Here comes our nice firework.
This one nicer.
What's up, Dad?
I'm stupid.
That was a cool one. Look at the smoke in the air, buddy. Ooh, 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 ooh.
No, this blows up.
Okay, we're trying to switch our fireworks right now.
Dad, let's do one more
These
twisty.
are the fireworks we have.
Look, this is that twisty. This is what it looks like. I'll show you a minute.
This is our grand finale. It shoots 88, I think, bullets in the
No,
air
let
and
me
it
see.
pops. Here's
See,
a
shine the
spinner
light on
again.
this.
Here we go. I'll show you more.
Listen. Oh, here we go. Do this thing. I'm stupid.
Whoa, this is a weird one. Oh, it's green and red colors with smoke popping out. Kind of stupid. Oh, look at poppers. Oh, I love poppers so much, dude. I love them so much.
Woo! Yeah. Okay, Dad. Let's do the last. Dad.
What?
No, I feel like doing.
Oh. Oh.
That's fun,
Oh, there's
Dad.
another one of those. That is a
Where's the other two? Didn't we buy two of these things?
really good one. What?
I thought we bought two of these.
No, we only bought one. And
Joker's
here are
Really?
some poppers again.
Some pops and some drops.
There's one of those big ones.
No, Dad.
And then
What about the Tokyo one?
there's some up there. We have big bombs.
Dad, what about the Chinese?
Here's some bombs that we have. We have two more, and here comes another one. Here comes
Oh, that's why, Dad. Dad.
those are the ones that spin really, really fast, like 100 miles per hour,
It's the same thing that we're
and then it
riding
goes
on.
up in the air about 20 feet and it comes down.
Oh, serious?
Say hi, Dad.
Hi, G.
Oh, you're so funny. And that's the bag of the fireworks. Right there, right there. See it, see it, see it.
After you're doing my firework.
What? All of them? Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
What one is this? Wait, don't light that one up! Oh, here's the big 88 one.
Hey, back up. Back up, guys.
Here comes the epic action! Yeah, buddy!
that was enough.
No.
People gotta work tomorrow.
Yeah, it's 11 o'clock.
And this is the end of the video.
Oh, be
Please
careful,
like,
that might
comment,
have
and
something stolen in it.
subscribe. Comment
Back
if
up,
you
Josh.
please. Comment. And like this video. Thanks.
Grab a drink, because nobody else is.